Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Adam. You're watching Steady Invest. In yesterday's video, I talked about Bitcoin, blockchain technology, and the process of Bitcoin mining. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about how I actually invest in the industry. And that would be in the form of investing in a crypto mining company called Hive Blockchain Technology, ticker symbol Hive, and it trades on the TSX Venture Exchange. They are the first blockchain infrastructure company to bridge blockchain technology and cryptocurrency with our traditional markets, in this case, the TSXV. And wow, there's a lot I like about this company. So let's talk about it. Before I do, if you haven't already, smash that like button. It helps my videos get out there. As well, if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Alright guys, first things first, if you don't understand how Bitcoin works or you want a refresher, I recommend these 3 videos by 99 Bitcoins on YouTube. He does a really good job explaining in plain English the general idea of how it all works. And this is how I learned the basics as well. So the first video here, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin explained simply for dummies. And then watch this one, blockchain technology for dummies. Blockchain explained simply. And what is Bitcoin mining in plain English? All by 99 Bitcoins. And looking at the price of Bitcoin, we had that bubble back in 2017. It popped, it crashed. And last week we surged past that, hit all-time highs, and we're trading just below that right now. So we hit just over 24,000 US dollars, and now we're trading almost 5% lower than that. And even during the market crash in March, Bitcoin dropped almost 50%. But since then, it's been on a mission. Alright, so Hive Blockchain Technologies. And just like other miners with precious metals, Hive Blockchain is a leveraged way to invest in cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. So let's take this point over here, Thursday, November 26th. Since then, Hive has gone up 208%, whereas in that same period of time, Bitcoin has gone up 33%. So almost 6 times more than the price of Bitcoin. So we have to expect if Bitcoin goes down, Hive Blockchain will probably go down even more. It currently owns a market cap of $940 million. Its 52-week low was at 9 cents. Imagine you put in $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, $100,000 at 9 cents. I mean, you probably wouldn't be watching this video if that was the case. And you're probably a genius. Please contact me. Hive is a relatively new public company that uses powered computing assets to mine cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Bitcoin on the cloud. Our deployments provide shareholders with exposure to the operating margins of digital currency mining, as well as a portfolio of crypto coins. Simply put, Hive is a cryptocurrency mining farm. We validate transactions on blockchain networks, like Ethereum, for rewards paid in cryptocurrencies. Every day, Hive earns new crypto coins, which it can monetize for revenue and cash flow. Hive offers shareholders exposure to the operating margins from cryptocurrency mining, plus a growing portfolio of coins. So essentially what Hive does is they mine these cryptocurrencies, and they either sell them for revenue or they keep them. And that's one thing I really like about this company. I'm not only investing in their operations, but also in the currencies themselves that they're currently holding. The largest inputs to mining are electricity costs and hardware. You need a reliable and cheap source of electricity for your hardware. Fast and reliable internet access, as well as a cool climate, help to lower costs, and we'll get to that in a moment. And Hive sells digital currencies that are mined in order to pay for its ongoing expenses, including operating and maintenance costs. So Hive has 3 main mining operations, one in Sweden, Iceland, and Canada. And they've been focusing on maximizing operational efficiency. Remember how they said cold climates help with power efficiency? From what I know, Iceland and Sweden are both cold, and from personal experience, Canada is freezing. And as we can see, they're optimizing it from a power standpoint, refurbishment of GPUs, same thing in Sweden, as well as scaling up to next-gen miners in Canada as well. And they claim to also be reducing costs significantly by 50% and 40%. And they have more room to grow, about 40% in Iceland, 20% in Sweden, and 200% in Canada. And the financials on this page, the gray bars, indicate fiscal years ending on March 31st, 2019. And these blue bars are indicating fiscal years ending on March 31st, 2020. And looking at the graph here and seeing how much Bitcoin was worth a year or 2 ago, it was worth much less than it is right now. So it's very likely that right now these numbers are looking much nicer. But given the information in front of me right now, we see income from digital currency mining down year over year, but gross mining margin up year over year. And although the income from digital currency mining didn't grow year over year, what we really like to see is the gross mining margin has increased, meaning they're more cost effective. What else we really like to see? Adjusted EBITDA is up significantly, as well as net income from continuing operations from fiscal year 2019 down $137.8 million to fiscal year 2020 down $1.7 million, a huge difference. And with any long-term investment, this is very, very important, a healthy balance sheet. Cash on hand, $5.1 million. Amounts receivable, $9.7 million. In digital currencies, $3.5 million. Their total current assets, including cash, $18.3 million, and total current liabilities, $7.2 million. So very healthy. And we see here the digital currencies that they hold: Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, and Bitcoin. Hive's mining facilities in stable jurisdictions with key elements for optimized mining. So in Canada and Sweden, we have low-cost electricity, low-temperature zone, and fast internet connection, whereas Iceland doesn't have as fast of a connection, funny enough. But it is cold and it has low-cost electricity. And something else I really like to see, and the direction and where the world is going, all of Hive's mining facilities are powered by green energy since day one. And they have a newly acquired low-cost Bitcoin mining facility in my backyard in Canada, but in Quebec. And relative to other miners, they are one of the largest and most diversified public cryptocurrency miners globally. And they are the only publicly listed competitor with significant Ethereum and Bitcoin mining operations on multiple continents. This is as of September 11th, 2020, so we have seen significant changes ever since then. But we see the difference in the currencies and then Hive being much higher. Remember, it's leveraged. And adding on to my bullish thesis of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, blockchain spending anticipated to grow at 60% compound annual growth rate over the next 5 years. In addition to my bullishness, please listen to this interview with Cathie Wood. It's on the YouTube channel Bloomberg Markets and Finance, and she does touch on the subject of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, and she's extremely bullish as well. And when Cathie Wood says something, the world listens. But we do have to keep in mind that, remember, Bitcoin is still speculative. There are no guarantees. And although we are currently at all-time highs, bubbles can burst and in incredible fashion. Now, that's not to say it's going to happen this time, but it would be ignorant to think that it couldn't happen this time as well. But who's to say that we don't continue making all-time highs for who knows how long? Something else to keep in mind, there are many different variables that determine the profitability of cryptocurrency mining. I'm not going to try explaining every single one of these variables right now. Either way, watching this video will explain it much better than I can. Now, when it comes to the stock price of Hive Blockchain, we've run up so much in 1 month. 310%. So it is very difficult to be starting a position at these prices, but with the unpredictability of the prices of these cryptocurrencies, what if they keep going up? So will Hive as well. So with this company, for me at least, it's just one that you keep on averaging into. Either way, just make sure you have your own plan. And that's why I'm bullish on Hive Blockchain Technology. It's their business model as well as the way they choose to operate that really draw me toward this company. And not to mention the future potential of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. However, remember, it still is very speculative. That being said, if we continue seeing institutional market adoption, there could be a huge spike in price appreciation. But as always, time will tell, and make sure you do your full research before investing in any company. Anyway, that's it for my video. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, smash that like button. It helps my videos get out there. As well, if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hit that subscribe button for future updates, and drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think of Hive Blockchain Technology. And if you're in Canada and you want to start trading even cryptocurrencies, use my links below for Wealth Simple and Quest Trade, and we'll both get free money. See you guys in the next video.